Familiarize yourself with the 2015 Toyota Tundra. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a tachometer, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.